Morning students, welcome to the maths class. We are doing the lesson geometry. Geometry is a branch of mathematics which deals with the study of shapes, points, lines, their surface, their measurement and all the things related to the shapes. Okay? ज्योमेट्री जो है वो मैथमेटिक्स की एक ब्रांच है. Like in mathematics, as you grow up, you will learn about different branch of mathematics like algebra है जिसमें हम numbers के बारे में पढ़ते हैं, geometry है, and there are various other branches. So geometry is the branch, मतलब geometry में हम mainly shapes, lines, points, उनकी measurement, ठीक है, और अलग अलग different solid shapes, plane shapes के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. So we have learnt about plane shapes, that is two-dimensional shapes. I have already explained in my previous videos about two-dimensional shapes and three-dimensional shapes. मैंने अपने पहले के videos में two-dimensional shapes मतलब जिसमें सिर्फ दो dimensions होते हैं, length and breadth, उसके बारे में explain किया है. And three-dimensional shapes मतलब जिसमें three dimensions होते हैं, three measurements, length, ब्रेथ और विड्थ दोनों का मतलब चौड़ाई एंड हाइट और डेप्थ, जिसमें थ्री डायमेंशंस होते हैं, थ्री मेजरमेंट्स होते हैं. दो शेप्स आर नोन एज थ्री डायमेंशनल शेप्स. So I have explained about two-dimensional shapes and three-dimensional shapes in the previous video. So today, before moving ahead, we will just do the recapitulation. एक बार इनका हम revision करके फिर आगे बढ़ेंगे. So these are some basic 2D shapes. 2D shapes means plane shapes, मतलब जो कि plane shapes होते हैं जिनको कि हम कहीं पर भी किसी भी flat surface पे रख सकते हैं. अगर किसी भी shape में अगर एक height भी होगी तो उसको हम किसी भी plane surface पे flat, we can not keep it flat. अगर किसी भी प्लेन्स अगर शेप में अगर हाइट भी होगी तो उसको हम फ्लैट नहीं रख सकते, उसको हम किसी भी प्लेन सरफेस पे फ्लैट नहीं रख सकते. वी कैन नॉट कीप इट फ्लैट. सो दीज आर सम बेसिक टू डायमेंशनल शेप्स. यू कैन सी सर्कल हैज़ गॉट ओनली वन साइड बिकॉज इट डज नॉट हैव एनी लाइन, एनी पॉइंट. सर्कल का कोई लाइन या पॉइंट नहीं होता, सिर्फ एक साइड है. देन ट्राइंगल हैज़ गॉट थ्री साइड्स, ठीक है. देन सर्कल का एक साइड मतलब जो आप लाइन ड्रॉ करते हो तो उसका सिर्फ एक साइड हमें दिखाई पड़ता है. ट्राइंगल में थ्री साइड्स हैं, थ्री लाइन्स आर देयर. इन स्क्वायर फोर साइड्स आर देयर. इन रेक्टेंगल ऑल्सो फोर साइड्स आर देयर. Pentagon means five. Pentagon means shape having five sides. So in pentagon, five sides are there. Then hexagon means six sides. Heptagon means seven sides. Octagon means eight sides. Nonagon means nine sides. And decagon means 10 sides. Of course, in your book only circle, triangle, square and rectangle is there. But I just thought of telling you about few more two-dimensional shapes. ठीक है, मैंने सोचा कि थोड़े से और भी एग्जाम्पल्स दे दूं जो टू डायमेंशनल शेप्स हैं जिनमें सिर्फ साइड होती है फ्लैट, उसमें सिर्फ लेंथ और ब्रेड्थ है, उनको हम फ्लैट किसी भी फ्लैट सरफेस पे रख सकते हैं. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, जैसे मैंने बताया ओवल, आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट ओवल शेप, सर्कल को अगर हम थोड़ा सा एलोंगेटेड कर देंगे देन इट विल बिकम एन ओवल. सो ओवल, स्टार, क्रेसेंट मून, all these shapes are two-dimensional shapes because they can be kept flat on any flat surface. Now see 3D shapes. 3D shapes are sphere, prism. I told you will learn in later classes, senior classes. Sphere, cuboid. In our book we have done sphere, cuboid, cube, cylinder and cone. We have not done prism and pyramid. We have done sphere, cuboid, cube, cylinder and cone. In sphere, only one side is there. In cuboid and in cube, there are 6 faces, that means 6 sides, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Okay. In cylinder, there are 3 sides, 2 edges and no corner, and in cone, there are 2 sides, 1 edge and 1 corner. This we have done. अभी इस लेसन में हम आगे भी और पढ़ेंगे. So these are some basic 2D and 3D shapes. So today I will explain the topic surface. What is surface? Surface is the portion of an object we touch and see is called its surface. Surface जो है किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट का जो बाहर का पोर्शन है, बाहर का पार्ट है जिसको कि हम टच करते हैं, छू सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं, that is the surface. That is its surface. Like you say, the surface is very smooth, the surface is very rough. How can you say this? How do you know whether the surface is rough or smooth? आपको कैसे पता चलता है कि surface rough है या smooth है? यह हमें टच करके, छू करके, फील करके हमें पता चलता है. ओके. सो द किसी भी चीज़ का जो पोर्शन जिसको कि हम टच कर सकते हैं, इट इज सरफेस. नाउ लेट अस टेक अ रूलर एंड पुट इट ऑन द टॉप ऑफ अ टेबल in any manner we like. We see that the ruler touches the surface of the table everywhere. So the surface of the top of the table is a plane surface. Now surface, जैसे मैंने बताया, surface is the portion of any object which we can touch and feel. मतलब किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट का जो पार्ट जिसको कि हम टच कर सकते हैं या फील कर सकते हैं, that is surface. Now surface is again 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional. If it is a collection of 2-dimensional collection of points, मतलब जहाँ पे सिर्फ 2 साइड्स आके मिल रही हैं, that is plane surface. अगर 3rd dimension भी है, so then it is a curved surface. ठीक है ना? Because surface या तो प्लेन हो सकता है या रफ होगा या कर्व्ड होगा. किसी भी चीज़ का surface प्लेन होगा और it would be a curve. Okay. So there are 2 types of surface, plane surface and curved surface. Now for example, you take a scale, take a ruler and put it on the top of table in any way you like. मतलब एक जैसे स्केल आपने लिया और उसको आप अपनी टेबल पे जैसे आपकी मर्जी, जिस भी डायरेक्शन में मर्जी वैसे आप रखो. You will see, अब देखोगे कि जो स्केल है आपकी, वो टेबल का सरफेस हर जगह टच कर रही है. That means जो टेबल का सरफेस है और जो स्केल है वो हर जगह टच हो रहा है. दैट मीन्स स्केल जो है वो टेबल के सरफेस को, आप यू कीप द स्केल, यू कीप द रूलर इन एनी वे यू लाइक, इन एनी डायरेक्शन यू लाइक, यू विल सी दैट द रूलर इज टचिंग द सरफेस ऑफ द टेबल एवरीवेयर. मतलब वो हर जगह टेबल का सरफेस टच कर रही है. सो दैट मीन्स द टेबल सरफेस इज अ प्लेन सरफेस. टेबल का सरफेस है वो प्लेन सरफेस है, बिकॉज द रूलर को तो यू कैन नॉट बेंड इट. रूलर इज स्ट्रेट, रूलर को आप बेंड नहीं कर सकते. इफ़ यू बेंड इट विल ब्रेक. सो रूलर इज स्ट्रेट. सो वेन एवर यू आर कीपिंग इट ऑन द टेबल, इट टचेज द surface of the table everywhere. So that means it is a plane surface. Surface of the table is plane surface. Now let us put the ruler on a football. We see that it does not touch the surface of the ball everywhere. The surface of the ball is not a plane surface. Its surface is curved. Same अगर आप रूलर को, अगर आप किसी फुटबॉल, बास्केटबॉल और एनी बॉल, इफ़ यू कीप योर रूलर ऑन अ बॉल, अगर आप अपने रूलर को किसी बॉल के ऊपर रखोगे तो यू विल सी दैट द रूलर डज नॉट टच द बॉल एट ऑल द पॉइंट्स. रूलर जो है वो बॉल को हर जगह नहीं टच करती है, बस एक पॉइंट पे जहाँ पे आपने रूलर को बॉल के ऊपर रखा, द रूलर विल टच द बॉल ओनली एट दैट पॉइंट. जिस पॉइंट पे आपने रूलर को बॉल पे रखा, बस वहीं पे आपकी बॉल को रूलर टच करेगा, बाकी और कहीं नहीं टच करेगा. दैट मीन्स दैट सरफेस ऑफ द बॉल इज़ नॉट a plane surface. इट्स सरफेस इज कर्व्ड। इसका मतलब ये है कि बॉल का सरफेस जो है वो प्लेन नहीं है, वो कर्व्ड सरफेस है। ओके, सो देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ सरफेसेस, प्लेन सरफेस एंड कर्व्ड सरफेस। प्लेन सरफेस मतलब जहाँ पे हम रूलर का एक जस्ट इट इज जस्ट एन एग्जाम्पल। प्लेन सरफेस पे अगर इफ यू कीप एनी प्लेन शेप ऑन अ प्लेन सरफेस, द शेप विल टच द सरफेस एवरीवेयर। कोई भी अगर आप प्लेन शेप एक ले करके उसको एक किसी भी पेपर को आप स्क्वायर पीस, स्क्वायर में, रेक्टेंगल में, ट्रायंगल में, सर्कल में आप कट कर सकते हो। एंड इफ़ यू कीप इट ऑन अ प्लेन सरफेस, अगर आप उसको किसी प्लेन सरफेस पे रखोगे तो वो आप देखोगे कि जो शेप है वो सरफेस पे पूरा फ्लैट रख सकोगे आप। यू विल बी एबल टू keep the shape flat on the plane surface. But if the surface is curved, if you try to keep the same shapes on a curved surface, you will not be able to keep. अगर आप इन्हीं सेम शेप्स को अगर आप किसी कर्व सरफेस पे रखने की कोशिश करोगे तो आप देखोगे कि आप उसको नहीं रख पाओगे। लाइक स्केल, योर शेप विल टच द surface only at one point. If it is not a plane surface, if it is a curved surface, then the shape will touch the surface only at one point. Okay, बाकी और कहीं नहीं टच होगा. That means the surface is not a plane, it is a curved surface. Okay, so surface children, it is the outside part of something. किसी भी चीज़ का जो बाहर का पार्ट है, that is its surface. Surface of anything, surface of fruits, surface of your books, surface of bag, anything, the outer part of anything is its surface. Now here we have seen that there are two types of surfaces. दो तरह के surface होते हैं. One is plain and one is curved. Okay, plain surface are the flat surface. जो surface बिल्कुल flat होते हैं, they are plain surface, and the objects having plane surfaces are called plane objects. जिन objects का surface बिल्कुल plane होता है, that is flat, they are plane objects. Okay, for example, your book, matchbox, almirah, table, your blackboard. In class you have whiteboard. Okay, so the surface of all these things is flat. These are flat surface, these are plane surfaces, and they are called plane objects. They are all two-dimensional objects. The surface of your book, the shape is rectangle and it is a flat surface. And then, so the flat surfaces are called plane surfaces, and the objects having plane surfaces are called plane objects. जिस भी चीज़ का surface plane होगा वो क्या होगा, वो प्लेन ऑब्जेक्ट कहलाएगी. ठीक है, एंड कर्व सरफेस इज, इफ द सरफेस इज नॉट फ्लैट, दैट मीन्स इट इज कर्व्ड. ओके, इफ द सरफेस इज नॉट फ्लैट, देन इट इज अ कर्व सरफेस, लाइक द सरफेस ऑफ अ बॉल, एप्पल, ऑरेंज और tomato. These are all round, these are all curved surface. Like your football, the shape of football is sphere. In 3D shapes we have studied, we have learned about 3D shapes, we have learned some basic 3D shapes. So sphere is one of them. So spherical surfaces are formed by only one surface. The curved surface, there are certain objects which have plane surface as well as curved surface, but a ball, it has only one curved surface. Okay, so for example, you can see ball, orange, apple, these have just curved surface, they do not have plane surface. So anything having flat surface is plane surface, and anything having round surface, spherical surface is curved surface. Okay, for example, as I told you, apple, orange, tomato, these are all curved surface. Now just see, you have board in your class, whiteboard is there. So just take an example of a whiteboard and take an apple. Okay, plane surfaces are the surfaces which have length and breadth. If you see the board, you can measure its length and its breadth. So plane surfaces, any plane surface, you can measure its length and breadth, and when you touch, it is flat. But when you touch the surface of an apple, it is not flat, it is curved. As I told you, if you put your scale on a flat surface, it will touch the surface everywhere, and because you are keeping it on a flat surface. But if you put your scale on a curved surface, it will touch the surface only at the point where it is touching the object. जैसे अगर आप अपनी स्केल को फ्लैट सरफेस पे रखोगे तो वो हर जगह टच करेगी, बट अगर कर्व सरफेस पे रखोगे तो वो सरफेस को सिर्फ वही टच करेगी जहाँ पे आप उसको रख रहे हो. ठीक है ना? सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्लेन सरफेस एंड कर्व सरफेस. Now say yes or no. Is the surface of a piece of paper plane? You just have to say yes or no. Is the surface of a piece of paper plane? क्या किसी भी पेपर की पीस का surface plane होगा? Paper surface is obviously plane. If it is not plane, then you will not be able to write on it. So the surface of, whether it is a big piece of paper, small piece of paper, the surface of paper is always plane. Is the surface of a blackboard plane? The blackboard on which we write, is its surface plane? Of course, yes, its surface is plane, because as I told you, in case of paper, if the surface of the blackboard is not plane, it will be very difficult to write on it. Is the surface of an orange plane? Surface of an orange is not plane, it is curved surface. Then is the surface of the cover of your book plane? Surface of the cover of your book plane? Of course, yes, it is plane, because if it is not plane, then you will not be able to cover the book. Then surface of the book is also plane, and surface of the cover of the book is also plane. Then is the surface of the floor of your room plane? आपके रूम का जो surface है वो plane है? Definitely yes, it is plane. If you go outside, कभी कहीं ग्राउंड में जाते हो, बाहर जाते हो, and if the road is not plain, अगर रोड प्लेन नहीं है, अगर इसको हम कहते हैं बहुत उबड़ खाबड़ रास्ता है, if the road is not plain, if it is very full of potholes or full of rocks और जैसे stones वगैरह हैं, अगर surface plain नहीं है, then it is very difficult for us to walk on that kind of road. If the road surface is not good, if it is not plain, then it is very difficult to either walk on it or drive on it. So surface of the रूम का जो surface है that is obviously plain. अगर plain नहीं होगा तो आपको चलने में problem होगी, you might fall also. So the surface of the floor of the room is plain. Then is the surface of a lemon plain? As I gave you the example of orange, apple, tomato. Similarly, lemon also, its surface is curved surface. Its surface is not plain, it is curved surface. Okay. Now next is look at each figure and classify the marked surface. Arrow is there and you have to classify whether it is a curved surface or it is a plain surface. I will just write C for curved and P for plain. The first is tomato. Look at this tomato. Is its surface plain or curved? By seeing it only, इसको आप देख करके बता सकते हो कि its surface is curved. So I will just write C. C for curved. The next is, this is an instrument, ढोलक है, and इसका surface. This is an example of which solid shape. ये जो ढोलक है ये किस solid shape का example है? This is an example of cylinder. It has one curved surface and two plain surface. जिस पे कि हम हाथ से मार के बजाते हैं, that is leather. जिस पे हम बजाते हैं वो leather का होता है, ठीक है? And when we hit it, it makes sound. उसको whether in some instruments, किसी पे हम हाथ से हिट करते हैं like तबला, ढोलक, किसी पे हम स्टिक से इंस्ट्रूमेंट करते हैं like जो दूसरा ढोलक होता है बजाने वाला और ड्रम सेट. So it has one curved surface and two plain surface. So this surface is plain, P. Then loaf of bread. loaf of bread, you will see that three sides it is plain. It is like a rectangle, it is like a cuboid, you can say. Each side is of rectangle side except the top side. So it is like a cuboid. So five sides are rectangle in shape. Five sides are rectangle in shape, you can say, and the surface of five sides is plain. But the surface of topmost side is not plain. It is curved. In some breads it is plain also, but here in the picture we can see is that the top surface is not plain, it is curved. इस हम picture में हम क्या देख रहे हैं कि जिसका जो top surface है वो plain नहीं है, that is curved. Rest other sides are plain. So this surface is, the surface which is indicated is plain. Then top, जिसको हिंदी में लट्टू बोलते हो, लट्टू को घुमाते हैं रस्सी बांध के. So this is top, and it is again an example of cone. Top is an example of cone. So its surface is curved. So this is curved surface. Then toffee, the surface of toffee is not plain, it is curved. Surface of pencil again is not plain, it is curved. Pencil is again an example of cylinder, especially when it is new. जब आप उसको sharpen नहीं किया है, when it is new, then it is, pencil is an example of cylinder. Okay, with one curved surface and two plain surface on both sides. So a tomato has got curved surface. This instrument dholak jo hai, it has got two plain surface, this side and on this side also, and this side is curved. Then loaf of bread on five sides, it is, you can say, rectangular in shape, and on top rectangular in shape, that means it has plain surface, but the top surface is curved. In top also the surface is curved. For toffee the surface is curved, and for pencil the surface is again curved. Now solids with plain surfaces. यहाँ पे हम क्या पढ़ेंगे? Solids with plain surfaces. As in two-dimensional shape, only two dimensions are there, so all of them are plain shapes and all of them have plain surfaces. But the solid shapes which have a third dimension also, they can have maybe only plain shapes, or maybe only curved shape, or maybe both the shapes. Okay, जो थ्री डायमेंशनल शेप्स होते हैं, सिंस दे आर सॉलिड शेप्स, उनके थ्री डायमेंशंस होते हैं, तो वो हो सकता है कि उनमें सिर्फ प्लेन शेप हो सकता है सिर्फ कर्व शेप हो, एंड ये भी हो सकता है कि उसमें प्लेन शेप भी हो एंड कर्व शेप भी हो. सो लेट अस नाउ सी सम सॉलिड्स विथ प्लेन शेप्स ओनली, प्लेन सर्फेसेस ओनली. देखते हैं कुछ सॉलिड्स, वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट फ्यू सॉलिड शेप्स विथ प्लेन सरफेस ओनली, मतलब ऐसे सॉलिड शेप्स जिनका सरफेस प्लेन है हर तरफ से. ओके, सी द फर्स्ट एग्जांपल. व्हाट डू यू सी इन द पिक्चर? इन दिस पिक्चर दिस इज अ ब्रिक. ओके, यू ऑल मस्ट हैव सीन ब्रिक. ब्रिक जिसको ईंट बोलते हैं, आप सबने ईंट देखा होगा. सो ईंट, व्हाट इज द शेप ऑफ दिस ब्रिक? It is a solid shape. It is a cuboid. It has three dimensions. Length is there, width is there, and height is there. Okay, you can see the three dimensions: width, length, and height. These are the three dimensions. Now, what do you see in this picture? This is the picture of a book. किस चीज़ की picture है? ये एक book है. And what do you see in this picture? This is the picture of a बॉक्स. जैसे आप शूज़ खरीदते हो, शूज़ बॉक्स में आते हैं. सो दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ अ बॉक्स. नाउ ईच ऑफ दीज फिगर्स हैज़ अ शेप कॉल्ड क्यूबॉइड. वी हैव learnt about solid shapes: cube, cuboid, sphere, cone, and cylinder. So you will see that each of these figure has a shape called cuboid. Each of these figures are of cuboidal shape. Okay, सबका शेप कैसा है? क्यूबॉइड का है. देन इज ईच सर्फेस ऑफ अ क्यूबॉइड प्लेन? इफ Just see the take the example of your book. टेबल पे आपकी बुक रखी हुई है. Take the example of your book. It is a cuboid, okay, and if you touch the surface or other sides, you will see that it is plain. It is plain from all the sides. You can touch the surface. Similarly, if you see the brick, the surface of brick from all the sides is plain. Okay, you can touch it at all the points. Similarly, a box. A box also is a cuboid, and you can touch all the 6 sides. If you put your scale on any side of this box, your scale will touch the box at all the places. Okay, so each of these figures has a shape called cuboid. We learnt in previous video, we learnt about 3-dimensional shapes and their properties. So each of these objects, each of these figures has a shape of called cuboid. Okay, हर इसका आप देखोगे कि जितनी ये ऑब्जेक्ट्स है, इनका जो हर साइड है, 6 साइड्स है, सबका शेप क्या है? रेक्टेंगल है. ऑल द sides are of rectangular shape. So each of these figures has a shape called cuboid. Now, is each surface of a cuboid plane? Of course, yes. Any cuboid has got all the 6 surface as plane surface. किसी भी cuboid में जो 6 surface है, they are all plane surface. There is no curved surface. So all the faces of a cuboid are, since all the faces are rectangular in shape. As I told you, all the faces of a cuboid are rectangular in shape, and a rectangle is a plane shape. So in a cuboid, all the faces are plane shapes, plane surfaces, and they are rectangular in shape. So each face of a cuboid represents a rectangle. जैसे मैंने yesterday in my previous video also I told you, and today also, that each face of a cuboid is rectangular in shape. There are 6 faces and each face is cuboid. So each face represents a triangle. If you take each sides as separate, अगर आप हम अलग अलग करके सारी 6 sides देखेंगे, तो we will see that each side is rectangular in shape. Okay, so a cuboid has 6 faces, as I have already told you. In my previous video also I explained about 3D shapes. A cuboid has 6 sides. Like here in this example, you can see the 3 sides. One side, 2 side and 3 side. You can see 3 sides, and rest of the 3 sides are at the back. 4th side will be opposite of 1, then 5th opposite 2, and 6th opposite 3. So each cuboid has 6 faces. Okay, each cuboid has 6 faces, and it has the 2 faces of a cuboid meet in an edge. The 2 faces you can see here in this picture. You can see 1 face, 2 face and 3 face. 3 faces are visible, and 4, 5 and 6 are not visible. They are at the back. And then the 2 faces of a cuboid meet at an edge. You can see here, this is edge. Okay, this is edge. 2 faces of where all the lines where 2 faces of a cuboid meet, they are known as edge. Okay, and so in a cuboid there are 12 edges. If you take any rectangular, if you take any cuboid, anything which has 6 faces, 6 rectangular faces, like you pick up your book and count the number of faces, you will find that there are 6 faces. You will find that there are 12 edges. Since 6 faces are the 6 faces are there, so 2 lines meet at the lines where 2 sides meet are edge. It is known as edge. जो किसी भी क्यूबॉइडल में जो 2 फेसेस जहाँ पे आके मिलते हैं, उसको एज बोलते हैं. 2 फेसेस जहाँ आके मिलते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज एन एज. सिंस इट हैज 6 फेसेस, देयर आर 12 edges. Okay, टू फेसेस जहाँ पे क्यूबॉइड में आकर के मिलते हैं, दैट इज एन एज. सो सिंस इट हैज 6 faces, therefore it has 12 edges. And the two edges of a cuboid meet in a corner. क्यूबॉइड की जो टू एजेस हैं वो कहाँ मिलती हैं? वो कॉर्नर में मिलती हैं. सो a cuboid has 8 corners. The two edges of a cuboid meet in a corner. So how many corners a cuboid has? A cuboid has 8 corners. Now the question is, are all the faces of a cuboid equal? क्या क्यूबॉइड की सारी जो फेसेस हैं वो इक्वल होते हैं? होते हैं कि नहीं? इक्वल होते हैं? नो, दे आर नॉट इक्वल. बिकॉज a cuboid, all the faces of a cuboid represent a rectangle, and all the sides of a rectangle are not equal. So all the faces of a cuboid are also not equal. Only the opposite faces of a cuboid are equal. As in rectangle, only the opposite sides are equal. So therefore only the opposite faces of a cuboid are equal. Okay? And are all the edges of a cuboid equal? No, all the edges will not be equal. क्या क्यूबॉइड के सारे edges equal हैं? नहीं, equal नहीं है, because all the faces are not equal. Edges are the line where two faces meet. Edges क्या है? किसी भी शेप की जो edge है वो जहाँ पे दो faces क्यूबॉइड के मिलते हैं, that is an edge. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? edge बोलते हैं. Since all the faces are not equal, therefore all the edges are also not equal. Only the opposite edges of a cuboid are equal. As opposite faces are equal, opposite sides in a rectangle are equal, therefore opposite edges of a cuboid are equal. Now what is the shape of a matchbox? एक matchbox का shape कैसा होता है? It is a cuboid because it has 6 faces and all the faces are not equal, only the opposite faces are equal. So the shape of a matchbox is cuboid. So I will stop here today, children, and in my next video I will explain about solid shapes having curved surface, and then solid shapes having plane surface and curved surface both. So thank you for today, children. Thank you.